On the night of December 20th, 1989, while most of the world slept, an entire country woke up to explosions. Jets roared over the capital. Gunfire echoed through quiet streets. And by morning, Panama was at war. The target was one man, but the cost was paid by thousands. Why did the United States invade Panama? Was it justice or power? For years, Panama had been ruled by one man, Manuel Noriega, a military leader, a strong man, a man once backed by the United States itself. Noriega helped American intelligence. He played both sides, and he grew powerful. But by the late 1980s, everything changed. The US accused Noriega of drug trafficking, of corruption, of threatening the Panama Canal. America wanted him gone. By December 1989, tension filled Panama City. US troops were already nearby. Roadblocks appeared. Protests grew. Then came the breaking point. An American Marine was killed at a checkpoint. Within hours, the decision was made. Operation Just Cause. That was the name. The invasion would begin before sunrise. At 1 a.m. December 20th, the sky exploded. US warplanes struck military bases. Helicopters dropped soldiers into neighborhoods. Panama City burned. Families ran from their homes. Buildings collapsed. Entire areas were turned into battle zones. This was not a distant battlefield. This was streets, homes, lives. Noriega vanished. He moved from place to place, always one step ahead. The US searched everywhere. Bases, bunkers, safe houses. Then, something strange happened. Noriega ran into a church. The Vatican embassy. The US surrounded it. Blasted loud music day and night. Psychological war. After days of pressure, Noriega surrendered. The US declared victory. Noriega was arrested. A new government was installed. But on the ground, the story was different. Hundreds of civilians were dead. Some say thousands. Entire neighborhoods like El Chorrillo were destroyed. Families searched for loved ones. Bodies were buried quickly. Questions were never answered. December 20th, 1989, was called a mission for justice. But to many Panamanians, it felt like invasion. Was it about stopping drugs, protecting the canal, or showing power to the world? History